Exploring civil engineering, building the foundations of your vocabulary. Hello, language learners and aspiring engineers. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting realm of engineering, civil engineering. This field is all about the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. From bridges to highways, airports to dams, you will find the touch of civil engineering everywhere. Let's build up our vocabulary on this topic. Civil engineering is one of the oldest and broadest engineering disciplines. It involves designing, constructing, and maintaining public works like roads, bridges, water supply systems, and buildings. An expert in this field is known as a civil engineer. To thrive in civil engineering, one must be familiar with various subdisciplines. These include structural engineering, environmental engineering, transport engineering, and geotechnical engineering, among others. These are like smaller branches growing from the main tree of civil engineering. In civil engineering, you will frequently come across terms like blueprints, which refer to technical drawings of a plan or a design. Infrastructure refers to the basic physical structures needed for a society to function, like roads, bridges, and buildings. Load-bearing is another important term. It refers to the ability of a structure to support the weight placed upon it. If you hear the term surveying, it's about the process of analyzing and recording the characteristics of a land area to help design projects. Civil engineering doesn't just stop at the terms. It's about understanding the concepts behind them. For example, when designing a bridge, a civil engineer needs to consider factors like the load capacity of the bridge, the material strength of what's being used to build it, and the environmental impact of the construction. When working on a construction site, civil engineers often refer to a site plan, a large-scale drawing that shows the full extent of the site for a proposed development. It includes things like boundaries, neighboring buildings, roads, and landscape features. Being a civil engineer requires more than just understanding technical terms. You need to have strong analytical skills to solve problems and make decisions. Project management is also crucial as it involves planning, coordinating, and executing projects effectively. Furthermore, communication skills are essential because civil engineers often work in teams and need to explain complex ideas clearly. And there we have it, a snapshot into the world of civil engineering. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to learn. But we hope this has given you a solid foundation to start your journey in understanding civil engineering terminology. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep building your language skills one word at a time. Until next time, happy learning!